Or Ephesians 6 verse 16. Above all, taking the shield of faith, wherewith ye shall be able to quench all the fiery darts of the wicked. So this is the words of God, and that we should take the shield of faith. We should have a bolder faith. Faith can move mountains, and faith can ruin the plans of the enemies against us. Faith can distract the plans of the enemies against our lives. And we can stop all their attacks against us through our faith. And we need to have a total dependence to God. We need to have a total trust to God. We need to trust God more and more, so that God will envelop us with His protection. God will help us in our faith, and God will trample down all our enemies. All praise belongs to God alone. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.